There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello, folks. These things keep multiplying in my garage. This one came from, I don't know where the hell it came from. It was in the mail. But yeah, it's seen some better days. There's a really special thing about this Wilton, and after I'm done that Wilton, I'm gonna attempt to do this Wilton. But if you stick around and don't, what do you call it? If you don't leave for a second, just wait till I untangle this. I'm taking it apart on camera here because I haven't taken this apart yet. I've done zero prep. This is Schiller Park Wilton Vise 9400. That's a C, whatever the hell it is. That's a Chicago one. I think this is a Chicago also. But anyway, I'm gonna, what do you call it? I just have to show you this. This is the ultimate. And it's off there. This over here. It's in good shape. Everything's howdy doody. Let's see if this thing comes out okay. That's in good shape. This is in really good shape, actually. The swivel thing. That's in nice shape. I don't know if that's part of it. Yeah, okay, that comes out. It won't come out right now. Swivel base. Nothing wrong with it. No pitting. It's got original green and non-original black on it. The bolts are in a very healthy state. Comes with a set of copper jaws, which is nice. These are, I might polish these up, see how it looks. A couple of gouges in them. They don't say Wilton on it anywhere. It just says 4. See? There's just a 4 on that one and a 4 on that one. Soft jaws. They look like they've been readily used by some individual. Put them to good use. I'm not going to grind it off. I'll just polish it. And now for the piece de resistance. If I can take this out of here. Hopefully this thing won't fall off. Let's see. I don't remember if this comes right up. I'm not an expert in this shit. The handle's in good shape. The top jaws seem to be in good shape. Couple little nicks and crannies in here. This looks like it's dirty as shit. But there's a nice surprise I'm going to show you. And of course, I could have did this off camera, but you know what? Here, I'll show you the best part of all. See the big fat weld on there? Lovely, eh? Someone did a shitty job welding it. And I don't know if it's brazed or what, but it looks like it's brazed. The best part about it is, this is pretty cool. It's got 6, 15, 64. The key is in good shape. This pipe part's in good shape. This part is in excellent shape. The jaws are actually nice and square. I mean, they're pretty good on this one. They're in better shape than that one. And I may take the jaws put on that one. But here's the fun part. The fun part, if you put this back in here, line it up, just get it in there. Let's screw it back in. See, when you screw it all back in, end of the day, it's a vise that's been welded. You know, nothing wrong with that. You know, there's nothing wrong with a vise that's been used and repaired and all that kind of shit. But we'll keep going and going and going and going and going and going and going. The thing with this is why didn't... I'm not sure who the hell did the welding on this, but really? Like, come on now. So, what's my plan here? I don't know. I'm thinking this, well, I don't know how to braze, but God, I'm ready to learn. This is my plan of attack. It's a beater. If it's got a broken thing here. It's welded. It's got a welded thing here, so I'm thinking maybe right here, just lopping it right off, taking this, what do you call it, braze out, and then maybe, I don't know, welding it together, lining it up, giving it a little tack weld, and learning how to braze and heat it and put it back together. Other option is I sell it for parts. Anybody want some Wilton parts? I could probably sell you the body, the bottom, the screw, and the rest of the parts, including the cap. Cap has got a little dent in it, but that can be fixed. So, who the hell did this? Like, if it broke off, do a good job. Do a good job welding. I mean, at least this one, you know, I don't know. But I will clean up the body, clean everything off. This is, if I find another front jaw that's for sale, that'll fit, I'll ask some people online. I will see. Maybe I'll just buy another one, replace it. I don't really care if this matches this. Doesn't matter to me. But, you know, it's a sad day. Poor Wilton got abused. I'm guessing it could have... I probably could somehow put it in my milling machine and just... Like, if I put it... If I grind it... If I cut it off slowly and re-round it out, I... probably could put it on here and reline it up. Probably. That probably is a good word, but what are the chances of me doing it? I'm thinking of just freaking carefully putting a block in between here to line it up so it's far apart, heating it up, and then putting a couple of spots in there to get it lined up perfectly, and then just, because I mean, even if it's a millimeter or two off, fine. But this one is a whopping, Jesus, it's a 1/4 inch off. A 1/4 inch. Yay. Lovely, huh? So, thanks for watching. Hope you like the little Wilton Vise thing.